Prash.
Guru Maharaj, one question about how to cultivate strength to stay steady in service when there are difficulties or the environment becomes more challenging.
Well, one thing is to improve on your chanting japa. So japa has to be one-pointed. And there's a way in which, I'm just reading this morning with Devavrata from the Sankalpa Kaumudi, and there's a verse in the Bhagavad Gita in which Krishna's talking about how to fix the mind. And in the purport, probably gives a story of a little bird whose eggs were stolen away by the ocean, and she wants to get them back. So she very determinedly starts pecking out the water of the ocean, and everyone else laughs at her. And in the story we read from the commentary, Narada comes along and sees the situation and then informs Garuḍa, who then comes to her assistance. One of the points that Vishwanath Chakravarti Thakur says in the process, one should be ready to take drop by drop, drain the ocean with the tip of a kusha straw. And so we can improve our japa unlimitedly. It's not a lost cause, or it's just you get it done for the sake of doing it. It's a practice. It's the only one thing that Prabhupada asked us to do. A lot are do nots, but it's the only one thing. He said at least 16 rounds. And if we give that as serious consideration and turn it into a serious practice, as one might, let's say, to become an Olympic ice skater, foregoes everything else in their youth just so they can have that one shot. And if we have that similar dedication to japa, then there's a natural way in which we get determination and spiritual strength by the power of the holy name and especially our attention to the holy name. Because that's the root cause of all of our disappointments, is that we don't give enough attention to the holy name when we're chanting. So that can be practiced, and it's something that can be developed.